Michael J. Fox is shining a new light, literally, on Parkinson's disease research.
And Sandy Kenyon's here now with the star's public struggle with his own disease and the new efforts of his charity.
Ken, Lori, and Bill, I look forward to any chance to renew acquaintances with one of the nicest guys in show business and a guy I've known and admired for 30 years. This is Parkinson's Awareness Month, and the Empire State Building was lit up orange and white in honor of a foundation started by Michael J. Fox after he was diagnosed with the disease.
Michael J. Fox and his 9-year-old daughter Esme lit up the Empire State Building as part of an official salute to his foundation for Parkinson's research.
You know, the fact that it's this structure, this accomplishment that was, seemingly impossible, and it was, the result of a lot of people working hard to get it done, is kind of what we're all about too. So it's a nice symbol.
We spoke to the star before a dinner to thank supporters who raised millions for his non-profit organization at various events.
We're built for speed, and we're just relentless. We have no agenda other than to get this done, and we're going to get it done no matter what it takes.
Finding a cure for Parkinson's disease has taken a lot longer than Team Fox once hoped.
I don't get discouraged. I mean, it's certainly a fact of science. I mean, science is hard. Science is hard, and you have 1,000 failures for every success, but without those failures, you can't have that success.
Success is now more likely thanks to his efforts, but he is not one to take much credit for that.
At the very most, I've been a spark, but I didn't provide the firewood, everybody else did.
Today, it's easy to forget Fox denied he had Parkinson's for many years, and he had to recover from the disease of alcoholism first.
If I didn't get off the party train, I think that I wouldn't have had a clear enough mind to figure this out. I mean, Parkinson's scared me at first, and I kind of reacted badly when I was first diagnosed.
In the course of meeting his challenges, Michael J. Fox learned a larger lesson.
That when you have loss in your life, or you have a hole in your life, if you can just learn not to rush in and try to fill it, but just see what comes in and fills it up, you'll be amazed at what happens.
Finding a cure for Parkinson's has become his mission, but Michael also continues to act. And in fact, he told me fighting this disease has made him a better performer. He explains it has stripped him of his vanity, so he no longer cares what he looks like on screen, and that's been very liberating, he says, for him, Ken, Lori, and Bill.
Still a good-looking man. He looks great, and good for him for doing such a wonderful thing.
Yeah,
a lot of fun. Terrific.
So much passion also, All right, Sandy, thank you.